Welcome to Count Meti Electronic Forum, West Bengal. Today we are going to discuss Angiotico 3 because in last episode we had already discussed about Angiotico 1 and Angiotico 2. This Angiotico 3 is even known as hydrostatic CP, composed of Arnica montana, Artemisia abrotanum, Avena sativa, Hydrostasis canadensis, Malva sylvestris, Pulsatilla vulgaris, and Salmonella canadensis in its D4 level. We use D4 level of the specific of all these plants to prepare Angiotico 3. So this Angiotico 3 is a vital and very broad remedy in Angiotico group and is a very good astringent, anti-scrofulous, hematosis, static, pectoral as well as vascular. It acts on erythropoietic system, lymph corpuscles and help to transfer them into red blood corpuscles under the influence of oxygen. It is essentially heart specific and is employed in all forms of blood diseases such as dyscrasia, anemia, chlorosis and poverty of blood. Angiotico 3 is used to promote the construction and renewal for the whole masses of the blood in chronic disease as well as exhausting acute sickness. It's a very useful remedy in marasmus, especially of lower extremities, yet with good appetite. This is used for the cases of weak muscular power, poor digestion and obstinate constipation. It's a great weakness after the influenza and exhausting disease is used for. Has a selective active on brain and nervous system too. It's favorably in nervous exhaustions, sexual debility and morphine habit, nerve tremor of the aged, chorea, paralysis, agitates, epilepsy and post-diphtheritic paralysis. In young girls and for the exhausting consequence of lengthy leukorrhea and hemorrhages and neurasthenia it is used for. It strengthens and renovates the interrupted efficiency of nerves. For spinal disease, it is very much helpful with scrofulous 5, February figure 1 and scrofulous 10. It works nicely as nerve remedy. It is also used for ill effect of suppressed condition, especially in gouty subject, rheumatism of the heart, colds, lumbago, emaciation and prostration, alcoholism, even bad habit of morphine habits. Its nervous state of many female trouble is working very nicely. Tuberculosis, peritonitis, exudative pleurisy and other exudative processes. It is used with pectoral 9, nose bleeding and even the hydrocele of boys. In these cases, it is used with this cancerous of 5 and sometimes with cancerous of 4. It relaxes blood vessels, black and blue spots, tendency to hemorrhage and low fever states have been used with February figure 1. It has the tendency of tissue derangement, septic condition, abscess that do not mature, thrombosis, hematosis. Here, cancerous of 5 is used along with this Angiotico 3 and we get very good result. In nosebleed, angioma of the face, occipital headache with phosphatic urines, it is used for. In cases of myalgic pain, in scalp, and muscles of the neck, sinusitis, after coryza, this chronic vertigo, objects feels about especially when walking. In this condition, along with cancerous of eye, it is to be used. In cases of chronic rhinitis, membrane dry and congested, here pectoral 1 is to be used along with this Angiotico 3. In cases of bleeding, after every fit of coughing, dark fluid blood, nose feels sore and cold, here pectoral 9 is to be used with Angiotico 3. Like scrofloxamine and lymphatico, it strengthens, warms, promotes or excites the appetite and improves the digestion. It increases the number of RBC in the blood. It is used for the bruised part after labor, violent after pains, uterine hemorrhage from mechanical injury, even after coition, some time in sore nipples and mastitis from injury, it is used for leukorrhea, fetish, corrosive, menses offensive, profuse, soreness of breast, uterine polypi, it is used with cancerous 1 and lymphatico 1. In cases of acne with scanty menses, itching, burning eruptions of small pimples, crops, small boils, dichomosis, bed sores and freckles, here Angiotico 3 is to be used with lymphatico 1 and cancerous of eye. Real electricity ointment is to be applied over the affected area. Sometimes in cases of sleeplessness and restlessness, when overtired, in these cases it is used with this febrifuge 1, and the white electricity compress is to be used on forehead and sole of this feet. When it is used with scrofloxamine S1 and S5, it acts on all chronic eruption caused by dyscrasia. It cures eczema, mostly of dry type. One thing more, here cancerous 11 can work very nicely, and green electricity is to be applied externally in the form of lotion, liniment or ointment. So as a conclusion, we may say that this Angiotico 3 works nicely over whole blood, especially RBC. It is the remedy for convulsions and formation of blood, deficiency of blood and general debility, especially of children. It is good for chlorosis after blood loss and other illness consumming the body, marasmus and nervous affections caused by undernourishment or anemia, neurasthenia, etc. It is used in dyscrasia, anemia, hypertension, angina pectoris, laryngitis and intestinal disorders, sometimes pain in chest. Here the associated medicines related to the organs are to be used according to their indications in materia medica. So here Angiotico 1, 2, 3 all are blood remedy, but their indication must be found out according to the descriptions in materia medica. So follow materia medica and go for proper use of Angiotico 1, Angiotico 2 and Angiotico 3. So at last here, if you get this video benefited, then must share and subscribe to spread electrohomeopathy in the society so that people may get benefit of this system of medicine from our practitioner practicing in different locality or area, different states of country. Thank you very much.